Welcome to Bike Review Pro, your trusted destination for the most in-depth motorcycle reviews. In today's feature, we dive deep into a motorcycle that blends power, comfort, and sheer luxury unlike any other, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike. Honda has long been a leader in the world of premium touring motorcycles, and with this latest three-wheeled evolution of the Goldwing, the brand takes its legendary platform to a whole new level of accessibility, safety, and opulence. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a grand touring machine built for the long haul, now with the added confidence and comfort of three wheels. Engine and transmission, smooth powerhouse. At the heart of the 2026 Goldwing Trike lies Honda's refined 1,833 cubic centimeters horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine. This powerhouse has become synonymous with the Goldwing name over the years, and in its latest iteration, it delivers more than just power, it brings seamless refinement. Producing 126 horsepower and over 170 Newton-meters of torque, it offers effortless acceleration even with a passenger and full luggage. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, now standard across all Goldwing Trike variants, eliminates the need for clutch control, making gear shifts silky smooth and incredibly responsive. Whether you're climbing mountain roads or cruising flat highways, the performance feels both powerful and controlled. Factory-integrated trike design, built not bolted. Unlike aftermarket trike conversions, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike is built by Honda itself, ensuring unmatched structural integrity and engineering precision. This factory-integrated design delivers flawless weight distribution, enhanced aerodynamics, and overall superior handling. The independent rear suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly while providing exceptional stability during cornering. The wide rear track and reinforced chassis also enhance safety and reduce fatigue during long-distance travel. Honda has ensured this isn't just a Goldwing with an extra wheel, this is a purpose-built three-wheeled luxury machine from the ground up. Touring comfort, a new standard. Touring on the Goldwing Trike is not just about covering miles, it's about enjoying every moment of the ride. The redesigned seat offers improved cushioning, lumbar support, and extended legroom, making it a true throne for the rider and passenger alike. Heated seats and grips come standard, with independent temperature control for both rider and pillion. The electronically adjustable windscreen adapts to varying wind conditions with the press of a button. Noise insulation has also been improved, offering a quieter, more peaceful ride experience, even at highway speeds. Premium storage and cargo capacity. Storage is a vital part of any touring machine, and the 2026 Goldwing Trike doesn't disappoint. With over 150 liters of cargo space, including a large rear trunk and side panniers, there's more than enough room for gear, clothing, or even an extended touring toolkit. Honda has also improved access to compartments with smart key integration and soft close mechanisms. Whether you're going cross-country or on a weekend ride, the Goldwing Trike ensures your essentials travel in comfort, just like you. Next-gen technology and infotainment. Honda has upgraded the infotainment suite significantly for 2026. The new 12.4-inch full-color TFT display serves as the control hub for navigation, media, and rider information. With Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated Bluetooth, riders can access calls, messages, and music hands-free. The onboard navigation is now cloud-connected, offering real-time traffic updates and voice-activated route changes. Audio quality is top-tier, thanks to the surround sound speaker system that delivers crystal-clear music, even with helmets on. Safety features, confidence on every road. Safety is a cornerstone of the Goldwing Trike experience. The 2026 model comes with an advanced traction control system, ABS with cornering control, and hill start assist, all tuned specifically for trike geometry. A reverse gear and walking mode are included, making parking and tight space maneuvering remarkably easy. Honda's integrated rider assist radar system adds adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring, features usually reserved for high-end luxury cars. On a Goldwing Trike, they're standard, giving the rider a huge boost in confidence. Rider accessibility, comfort for all ages. One of the biggest advantages of a trike is its accessibility. Riders who may have mobility limitations or simply prefer the stability of three wheels will find the Goldwing Trike a game changer. It eliminates the worry of tipping at low speeds, allows for easier mounting and dismounting, and provides unmatched control even in unpredictable weather conditions. For older touring enthusiasts, or those returning to motorcycling after a break, this trike is a perfect fit. Design and aesthetics, bold and elegant. The Goldwing Trike doesn't just perform beautifully, it looks the part too. Honda has sharpened the front fairing design with aggressive LED headlights, a sleek windscreen profile, and elegant body lines that give it a commanding presence. The rear is equally impressive, with custom three-wheel fenders, new alloy wheels, and integrated LED tail lighting that blends function with high-end aesthetics. Available in a range of premium paint finishes, including a new two-tone metallic series, the Trike exudes luxury even at a standstill. Price and variance are worth every penny. With all its premium features and factory-built quality, the 2026 Goldwing Trike sits at the top end of the touring category. Starting around $39,999, it may seem like a significant investment, but when you consider the comfort, performance, and long-term touring capability it delivers, it's clear you're getting exceptional value. Honda also offers optional upgrades such as adaptive suspension, premium audio upgrades, and custom paint packages for those wanting an even more personalized experience. The ultimate touring machine. In the end, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike isn't just about adding an extra wheel, it's about opening up a whole new world of riding possibilities. Whether you're a long-time touring rider, a couple planning cross-country journeys, or someone seeking luxury, safety, and performance in a more stable format, this machine delivers on all fronts. Honda has taken everything riders love about the Goldwing and made it even more versatile, accessible, and premium. This isn't the future of trikes, this is the future of long-distance motorcycling. Let us know in the comments if the Goldwing Trike is your dream touring bike, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Review Pro for more expert insights on the latest 2, and now 3, wheeled innovations.